We're so thrilled to present this program for the first time, but not the last time, with our friends at Farmingdale State College.
We're doing everything that we can to make sure that those who have been most impacted by the war on drugs know of this opportunity. The education that we're focused on is reaching deep into the community. CUNY is a recognized and trusted partner in communities all throughout the 5 boroughs.
It's good to know that there is policy change which is positive, which offers opportunity to people who have been working in this business for generations. We want to do it right, which means having programs like this to ensure that everyone has access.